Today we are inside the Mini, and I cannot start the car because I have a remote control problem. Basically, the battery is dead in my my key fob. I got a little warning that said battery low a few days ago, and sure enough, it will no longer start the car now. So let's dig into changing the battery of this thing. If, however, you are stuck somewhere, you will see a key on your steering column. What you can do is you can put your key up against that, and then you should be able to start your car. And there's your message. Hold the remote control marking on the steering column. First thing we need to do is open this up, so we will remove the actual key first. Then, using a small screwdriver, we're gonna pop this back off like so. Then we need to pop this off. Like that, and here is our battery. This is a C2032, in this case Panasonic. So I got a lithium battery. We'll remove one of these. Now we're just going to slide it back in. Actually, we're going to put that side in first. All right, once that's in, we need to slide our cover back in. So we'll tuck this in first. All right, once we do that, we can now snap our cover back on. We'll slide our key back in. That's it. Let's go see if it works. All right, so we'll test it on the car, but something tells me it already works, because while I was working in the basement, it looks like I accidentally popped open the back of the car. So with the key fob sitting on the seat, let's see if she starts. All right, we're back in action. No messages on the dashboard. So we are good to go. And the nice thing about this is once you change the battery, you do not need to reset anything on the car computer like you do for oil or other things. Have a great day, everybody.